Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Bamari. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful bow at the back of this ball gown. It's easy and beginners friendly. Let's get right into the video. Thanks for watching. To make a ribbon, I went ahead to cut 45 inches length of Mikado, and I cut it. It is on fold. You can see I went ahead to cut it on fold. So you cut 45 inches of Mikado fabric or any fabric of your choice. Then it is 5.5 inches wide. That's 45 inches long, 5.5 inches wide. Then after cutting the material, I came up by 3.5 inches, then I slanted it to the edge. Then I did the same thing for this other side also, came up by 3.5 inches and slanted it. So I'll be sewing straight down using 0.5 inches. Then I'll curve it also. So I'll just be using 0.5 inches to sew it straight. But I will leave about 2 inches allowance at the middle here, so I can use the 2 inches to turn it. So I'll sew it and show you how it looks like. When I started sewing it, I just came in by 1 inch just to make the middle part of the bow to look slimmer, so that it can be slimmer than the edge of the bow. Just watch what I'm doing. So this is the other side, so I'll go ahead to do the same thing for it. So I'll just go ahead to trim it off. After doing that, this opening that I left, I'll just go ahead to turn it from this opening. This is how it is looking after I've ironed it. So I'll just go ahead to stitch on this opening that I used to turn it, just to close it. So this is how the bow is looking. I've turned it, and the side that I used to turn it also I've stitched on it. First thing I'll do is I'll mark the midpoints. This is the midpoint. Then I'll go ahead to measure 5 inches from the midpoint that I marked at both sides. After marking it like that, I'll fold it like this, like a collar. Then I'll be stitching it like this, so you can see the front. The first thing I will do is I will insert the needle here, then I will pull it out from the other side. After pulling it, then I will turn it to the other side like this. Then I'll use the needle and thread to tack it. Just watch the way I'm doing it. When I'm done tacking it, I'll just go ahead to use the thread to tie it just like this around the bow. Then I'll knot it at the back.
This is how to make a perfect and beautiful bow for your gown. I also went ahead to make some beautiful DIY flowers, which I'll be sharing the link in the comment section or description below. See how beautiful our bow came out to be. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like, subscribe, comment and share to see more videos like this. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.